Hello everyone, welcome to Traveatz. Today we're going to make spicy peanuts. It's also called as Congress Kadalekai in Bangalore. So what we need for that is some peanuts, some chili powder, curry leaves. We also need some Asafoetida and some mustard seeds. So now let's start the process. Take a medium-sized pan and pour about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and add the ingredients, especially the Asafoetida and the mustard seeds. Let's wait for the mustard seeds to kind of splatter a little bit. It shouldn't get burnt, so be a bit careful. Do this in a medium flame so that it doesn't overcook. Once it splatters, add a little bit of turmeric and wait for the color to change a little bit. So let's add our curry leaves and allow the curry leaves to splatter a little bit again. You can then add the chili powder and stir it a little bit so that the mixture kind of mixes really well. So you can add some salt to taste, depends on how much salt you would require. Try with a simple tablespoon first, start mixing everything together, and then finally we're going to add all the peanuts into the mixture. Okay, so keep frying this for at least a couple of minutes. It should not take more than 3 to 5 minutes for us to kind of get that complete flavor and the mixture of the peanuts to have those spices blended with it. Okay, so keep doing that for a couple of minutes, and once it's done, you will be able to enjoy the Congress Kadalekai, or you could call it the spicy peanuts. Right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Traveatz if you haven't subscribed, and if you would like to try this recipe at home, and do let me know in comments if you've how it went. Yeah, please take care. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.